The encounter with cold winds. As I walked westward bound, crowds of cold winds bombarded my body, but with rapid icy loving embraces, which tried to convert my forward motions to those of an awkward drunkard. Their high-pitched, haunting, ghostly whistles blew erratic chants into my ears and put me in a frigid, stoic trance. My body vibrated like an aggressive engine, while populations of hairs on my skin moved in choreographed undulations, like a cluttered cornfield during a storm. As the gales all sprinted away in messy masses, carrying their tumbling baggages of turbulences, I moved onward with weariness removed, accompanied by the sweet tranquility that follows any burst of chaos grand.